Welcome back, Snap Nation, to another training video series on our MYFIT beta test part 2. Today, we're going to break down the tech component. So with this, you guys, you're actually seeing the live beta right now that's actually in Chanhassen. And this is actually not the one that you see out on the floor on the BPS Facebook page. This is the one that's actually in our back, where you're going to notice it looks a little bit different, where we can really customize things. But once I push this out to you, the 20 locations that are going to be in the second round beta phase, I want to walk you through step by step how we actually are going to load these classes. Now, the cool part is, just like I promised you guys last week, where we were jumping on the horn and they were going to give me this continuous loop, you're actually seeing it live. So right up in this right-hand corner, you're seeing 42 minutes. But what's going to happen once that 42 minutes is gone, I've seen it multiple times throughout today, where it literally reloads the class within like a second or two. So the maximum duration that this thing is really even down is maybe at 10, maybe 12 seconds all day long. So they do now have it built on that continuous loop. The one feature that we did talk about on our conference calls was this countdown timer in transition. You're seeing that not in full effect, as far as where it basically goes from rest or transition into work. They're working on that, guys. That's part that they're actually working on right now this week. So that should be coming shortly. So this is the live beta, as you're seeing it right here back in Chanhassen. So what you're going to do, once I push the actual workouts to you, you're going to go up in the left-hand corner, click on the Snap Fitness symbol, and then you're going to have to unlock your admin, which I'm going to do here real quick on my end. I have to punch in just a code real quick, you guys. Once you unlock your admin, you're going to go right to the Settings tab. Once you're inside the Settings tab, and I'm going to go nice and slow for you so I don't lose you, go to Class Settings. And then to get this on a loop, you're going to go to Daily Class Rotation. And you're going to notice I tested it this morning with MYFIT 1, where you're going to select that green plus button, and then you're going to choose whichever MYFIT that you would like. So let's say I'm going to go with MYFIT 2. And you're going to notice that now MYFIT 2 is scheduled to actually go on a loop starting on Sunday. And it's that easy. You literally go to Thursday. They have a typo in there, just to let you know, which we'll fix here for you. But once again, I can pick MYFIT 3. And as you can see, MYFIT 3 loaded right in on Tuesday. So there's just 3 examples of how easy that actually works, you guys. So what's going to happen is tomorrow on Tuesday, MYFIT 3 at midnight is going to load automatically. And then it's going to run on that continuous loop for 24 hours. And that's how easy it's going to be to actually load these classes. As you can tell, one thing I do want to show you real quick in the daily class rotation, I'm just going to click on Wednesday here just real quick, so you can see where all these are being housed. So notice that we are building out, here's MYFIT. I got it all the way built up to MYFIT 13 at the moment. We're just going to keep on building these out. So you're going to see it all the way up to MYFIT 31. So every single day, you're going to be able to go in and apply which class you want to go ahead and pop up next. The only unfortunate thing, you guys, is you're not seeing a calendar of, let's say 1 through 31. So what you're probably going to have to do on a Sunday, as you can see, it's very, very quick to do. You're going to have to go in. So let's say this week you did MYFIT 1 all the way through 7 on Sunday. Then for scheduling on Monday night at midnight, you'd go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so on and so forth. So there is a little bit of that scheduling component that will be happening for the next couple weeks. Once they get their development done on their back end side and we in-house it, myself and another programmer, we will go in on our behalf, where you're going to see these workouts go away. Everything will be in-housed in Chanhassen, and we actually will schedule it on your behalf, so you don't have to worry about that and have any user error. So really, really exciting news. And I mean, it is literally that simple to go ahead and jump into your class settings, go into that daily rotation, and then schedule out exactly what MyFits you want to have pop up for the following day, and it will run on a continuous loop for 24 hours and repopulate at midnight. Just as a quick recap, that will go away eventually in the next couple of weeks, where we'll in-house it. We'll continuously keep on building out that, but we'll take that out so there is no user error, and we'll eventually be scheduling on our behalf and pushing it out to the clubs. So just that quick tutorial. So the tech has really advanced. I knew that would be a big component once they got that development done, as far as making it on a loop. So it made life a lot more easy. We're like 93% of the way there. Once we get that scheduler, I feel that we'll probably be 95% of the way baked. There's some cosmetic things that are going on, you guys too as well, that you'll see. Like you're probably the first thing that you're going to say is, what's up with the numbers being, rotated almost like on a horizontal reading instead on a vertical reading. They know about that. They'll be fixing those here very, very shortly. But once again, the design is pretty aesthetically pleasing. Black, you have the black background, you have the white GIF that makes it pop. You can really easily identify what heart rate you're in. We also made the exercises static, and then the last but not least, we made it on a loop. So if you have any questions, once again, I will be that go-to resource. Just email me, call me. Once again, my email is M as in Michael, and then VAUGHT@liftbrands.com. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and stay tuned to the next video series here on learning about MyFit.